Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do so now. I have lots of great videos coming, so you won't want to miss that. So from the title, you can see that today's video is not a typical vlog. I'm doing a cook with me, so let me know what you guys think of this in the comments, and if you like it, I'll do some more. And look what I have on in the background, my very own vlog. Do people do that, like watch their own vlogs? I do. Anyway, if you haven't seen this one, go and check it out. It is, I think it's called Come With Me to Gothenburg. So yeah, it's a good one. So we add turmeric to the oil just to, we say burn the curry, but it just gives it a richer color and a kind of nuttier flavor. Okay, so funny story, I don't have a lid for this pan because actually it's a frying pan. It's not for like cooking curries and things, because I don't have a lid, but I don't want to use a bigger pan that does have a lid. I have come up with a makeshift solution, and it actually works really well because it kind of steams it almost like a tagine would. So yeah, pro tip, I'm very resourceful. Always wash your rice, guys. Okay, I'm going to put this down so I can actually wash it properly. Okay, so I'm just adding some carrots and potatoes. Don't mind the discoloration. These were peeled and then frozen because I live alone. Often when I buy things, I don't cook them quick enough and things start to go off. So what I do is when I buy things, I tend to chop them up and just freeze everything. So I plan to just have these kind of like as roasted veggies, but then I realized I needed potatoes and carrots for this curry, so I just fished them out. So don't mind how they look. They weren't meant for this, but. So this is one of my favorite herbs. This is what we call beef thyme in Jamaica. I don't know if it grows anywhere else or what other people call it. But yeah, it has like a very strong herby, like very pungent flavor. It's very good in meat dishes, anything that's kind of like rich. It's very good for that. So I'm gonna add a little bit into my curry. So yeah, my mum planted this for me, so she'll be very pleased that I'm using it, and also that I haven't killed it. Just adding some more onions to finish it off, and some peppers.